Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a fast travel airport script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which I'm going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. To download the script, we just have to click over here. Then click on code and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the version number and main from here. Now open the file, go to config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. If you want, you can add or remove any airport from here with the same format of code. So I'll be keeping it default for now. Now we have to download the dependency of the script, which is native UI. I'll put the link in the description below. You just have to click on code and download the script. After that, open the folder. Then copy this native UI folder from here and paste it into your FiveM resource folder. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and over the map you can see the blips of the airport over here. These are the blips of airfield as you can see over here. So let's teleport ourselves to this airport over here. Now in here, we just need to interact with the pad, which is over here. Now we just need to press E. And as you can see over here, we got the options of the airport over here. So let's go to the Sandy Shores airfield over here. After selecting the airport, we just need to press enter. So as you can see, this is the animation over here. And over here, we have reached to the Sandy Shore airfield. Now let's go to the Grapeseed airfield. For that, we just interact with this pad, press E, then select the airport. So as you can see, this is the animation over here. And we have reached to the Grapeseed airfield. So yes guys, that's for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.